Blissful Boost presents 15 high-protein, low-calorie, low-fat foods for a healthier you. What if I told you that you could eat delicious food, stay fit, build muscle, and still keep your calories in check? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. There are actually 15 incredible foods that are packed with protein, low in calories, and taste amazing. These aren't bland, boring options. They'll keep you satisfied and help you hit your health goals. Whether you're looking to slim down or just feel stronger, this list will change the way you think about healthy eating. Stick around, because by the end, your grocery list is going to look a whole lot better. Number 1. Chicken breast, the classic protein powerhouse. Let's kick things off with an old favorite, chicken breast. It's not just something bodybuilders eat because it's boring. It's actually a super versatile and tasty way to pack in protein without loading up on calories. 3 ounces of chicken breast give you about 26 grams of protein. And here's the kicker: only around 140 calories. That means you're getting all the muscle-building goodness without the guilt. But what makes chicken breast a winner isn't just the nutrition. You can cook it in so many different ways: grilled, baked, stir-fried, you name it. If you're feeling adventurous, toss it into a salad or make some healthy tacos. Bottom line, this is one food that's going to make your meals both delicious and guilt-free. Number 2. Turkey breast, chicken's heart-healthy cousin. Next up, meet chicken's equally amazing cousin, turkey breast. Like chicken, turkey breast is high in protein, about 26 grams per 3 ounces, and low in calories, about 140. But it comes with an extra bonus. It's lower in saturated fat. That's a win for your heart. Turkey also has a mild flavor, which means you can use it in pretty much anything. From a classic turkey sandwich to stuffing it into casseroles, you won't run out of ideas to get more of this lean, heart-friendly protein into your diet. And if you're trying to get healthy and watch your cholesterol, turkey might just be your new best friend. Number 3. Eggs, the small but mighty breakfast hero. Don't let the size fool you. Eggs pack a serious punch when it comes to protein. 1 whole egg has about 6 grams of protein, while just the egg whites give you 3.6 grams. That might not sound like a lot, but eggs are like little protein bombs that are super easy to add to almost any meal. And let's not forget that eggs are loaded with other good stuff too, like vitamin D, B12, and a nutrient called choline, which is great for your brain. You can scramble them, boil them, or even poach them for a fancy breakfast. But here's the real trick. Don't save them just for breakfast. Throw them in salads, stir-fries, or even a burrito. Trust me, eggs are your all-day friend. Number 4. Pork loin, the leaner way to love pork. Who said pork has to be unhealthy? Enter pork loin, the leaner, healthier version of your favorite pork dishes. With 22 grams of protein and only 120 calories per 3-ounce serving, this is one pork option you don't have to feel bad about enjoying. Pork loin is super versatile, just like chicken and turkey, and you can roast it, grill it, or even toss it into stir-fries. So if you're looking for a way to still enjoy pork without going overboard on calories and fat, this is the cut for you. Number 5. Salmon, the fish that does it all. Salmon might be best known for its heart-healthy omega-3s, but it's also a fantastic source of protein. In fact, a 3-ounce serving gives you 22 grams of protein along with about 180 calories. The healthy fats in salmon not only help your heart, but they also keep your brain sharp. And let's talk flavor. Salmon's rich, buttery taste makes it an awesome choice for dinner. You can grill it, bake it, or even toss it into a pasta dish. Not only does it taste amazing, but it's also helping your body stay strong and healthy. This is one fish you'll want to keep on your plate. Number 6. Tuna, lean, mean protein machine. If you're looking for a protein-packed food that's low in calories, tuna is your go-to. Just 3 ounces of tuna will give you a whopping 25 grams of protein, and guess how many calories? Only about 110. Whether you grab a fresh fillet or reach for a can, tuna is an easy way to get your protein fix. You can use tuna in salads, sandwiches, or even mix it with pasta. It's one of those foods that fits seamlessly into any meal. Plus, it's cheap and super convenient. So next time you're at the store, don't forget to pick up some tuna to give your meals a protein boost without the extra calories. Number 7. Whitefish, the unsung hero of the sea. Whitefish doesn't always get the attention it deserves, but it's a stellar choice if you're looking for a high-protein, low-calorie meal. Depending on the type, whether it's cod, haddock, or tilapia, you're looking at 20 to 25 grams of protein in just 3 ounces, with as little as 90 to 120 calories. Whitefish is mild in flavor, which makes it super versatile. Grill it, bake it, or even make a fish taco. The options are endless, and you'll get a healthy, satisfying meal every time. If you haven't tried it yet, you're missing out on a simple, tasty way to add protein to your diet. Number 8. Shrimp. Quick, easy, and packed with protein. Shrimp is one of those foods that's high in protein, low in calories, and cooks in no time at all. With about 20 grams of protein and only 85 calories in a 3-ounce serving, shrimp is a fantastic option for a quick, healthy meal. You can sauté it, grill it, or steam it, and it's ready to eat in minutes. This makes shrimp perfect for meal prep or a fast weeknight dinner. Plus, it works well in everything from salads to stir-fries. Add shrimp to your next meal and enjoy a quick, protein-packed bite. Number 9. Greek yogurt, creamy protein goodness. Need a snack that's creamy and loaded with protein? Greek yogurt has your back. With 15 to 20 grams of protein per serving and only about 100 to 150 calories, it's a filling option that's also packed with probiotics for gut health. Greek yogurt is great on its own, but if you want to get fancy, mix in some fruit, nuts, or even granola. You can also use it as a base for smoothies or sauces. It's the perfect snack or breakfast option to keep you satisfied and full of protein. Number 10. Edamame, the mighty plant protein. Edamame may seem small, but don't let its size fool you. A cup of cooked edamame gives you 17 grams of protein and only about 190 calories. Even better? It's packed with fiber, which helps keep you full and your digestion on track. Edamame is easy to prepare. Just boil or steam it and you're good to go. Sprinkle on a little sea salt for a tasty snack or toss it into a salad for some extra protein. Whether you're vegan or just looking for plant-based options, edamame is a great way to boost your protein intake. Number 11. Tofu, the plant-based protein champ. Tofu is a classic choice for anyone looking to get more plant-based protein in their diet. With 8 grams of protein in just 3 ounces and low in calories, tofu is the ultimate versatile ingredient. Plus, it's super absorbent, meaning it soaks up whatever flavors you cook it with. Whether you're grilling, stir-frying, or blending it into a smoothie, tofu fits into almost any dish. If you haven't tried it yet, tofu is a great way to shake up your protein game without the extra calories. Number 12. Cottage cheese, protein in a cup. Cottage cheese might sound a bit old-fashioned, but it's a protein-packed gem that shouldn't be overlooked. With around 25 grams of protein per cup and about 200 calories, it's a creamy, delicious way to add protein to your diet. It works as a snack on its own, or you can mix it with fruit. Add it to salads, or use it in baked goods. The mild flavor pairs well with both sweet and savory ingredients, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Number 13. Low-fat cheese. Cheesy goodness without the guilt. Cheese lovers, rejoice. Low-fat cheese is here to save the day. With 6 to 10 grams of protein per ounce and fewer calories than regular cheese, it's a guilt-free way to enjoy your favorite cheesy dishes. Whether you're topping a salad, sandwich, or even making a healthier pizza, low-fat cheese gives you all the flavor without the calorie overload. It's a simple swap that lets you keep cheese in your life without going off the rails. Number 14. Seitan, the meat-free protein beast. Seitan might not be a household name, but it's a protein powerhouse for anyone looking to avoid meat. Made from wheat gluten, Seitan offers about 21 grams of protein per 3 ounces and is low in calories. Its meat-like texture makes it a great substitute for chicken or beef in dishes like stir-fries or sandwiches. Seitan is also super absorbent, so it soaks up whatever flavors you cook it with, making it perfect for seasoning and grilling. If you're into plant-based eating, Seitan is definitely worth a try. Number 15. Lentils, the plant-based protein all-star. Last but not least, lentils. These little legumes are packed with 18 grams of protein per cup and only around 230 calories. Not only are they a fantastic source of protein, but they're also rich in fiber, iron, and other nutrients that keep your body humming along. Lentils are super versatile. You can toss them into soups, stews, salads, or even use them to make veggie burgers. They're cheap, filling, and easy to cook, making them a perfect addition to any meal. So, there you have it. 15 high-protein, low-calorie foods that will help you eat healthier without feeling like you're missing out. From lean meats like chicken and turkey to plant-based options like lentils and tofu, there's something here for everyone. So, the next time you're planning your meals, don't forget to add these powerhouse foods to your list. They'll keep you full, satisfied, and on track with your health goals. Now, go ahead and try them out. You've got nothing to lose but the extra calories. Want more? Watch our next video by clicking here.